There has been a big misunderstanding with corrugated pipe in general. There's some people that think the only corrugated pipe out there on the market is perforated, meaning pipe with holes. There's another sector of the public that does recognize that there's pipe with holes, like you see here, and that there's corrugated pipe without holes. So this is the perforated. You do not want to use perforated pipe for your underground buried downspout system when you're going through your landscape. It's going to leak water right near the foundation of your house, doing damage to the structure of your home. And you're going to allow the landscape trees and shrubs and plants, you're going to allow their roots to get inside your underground buried downspout pipe. Once that happens, where the roots fill the pipe, and through these perforations, dirt will enter. This pipe will become clogged. The homeowner called us because they were having flooding in their basement, and they didn't know why. They didn't understand how the water was getting in the basement. 9 out of 10 phone calls to our office regarding basement flooding is because of this. When your roof runoff water no longer makes it away from the structure of the home, it'll cause basement flooding. This pipe was plug solid with roots and dirt. It never should have been ran with perforated pipe. You can see how the roots just thrive. They love getting inside this pipe where there's going to be some water every time it rains, or there's dew melting off the roof. Trees and shrubs can seek out water. During a drought season, you'll have dew in the morning running off of your roof. The trees are going to drink that up. They're going to get inside those perforations and fill that drain pipe. You do not want to encourage the root structure to grow right up next to the house. It's damaging to the foundation of your home.
Come on, Kale, look.
Yeah, I think this one's going to take that one's going to take the cake today, right there. 9 out of 10 calls for flooded basements and crawl spaces is because the roof runoff water is not being managed correctly. When an underground system fails due to tree roots, not maintaining the system, using the wrong parts and pipe, we see it all the time. It does tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage to the home. Unlike a fire that you can visually see and smell and see flames and smoke and literally can smell a fire in your house before you actually see it, like what's burning, water's silent. It's not going to let you know about the damage that it's doing until there's so much damage done that it's in the tens of thousands of dollars. Now, this pipe has roots throughout. You can see those little perforations. The roots just got inside this pipe, or just took out this drain system. Somebody charged this homeowner to put in an underground buried downspout system and didn't know the difference between perforated pipe and solid. Just went into a big box store, grabbed a roll of cheap recycled pipe, which I don't recommend, and they used the wrong pipe. This is meant for French drains. They used it for roof runoff. This is not a pipe for a discharge line. That's a collection pipe, and it's meant for French drains. I'm not a big fan having trees real close to the house. I know the damage roots can cause to a structure. But if you're going to have a line that's going to act as an irrigation line and feed them, you're going to grow really big roots right up against the foundation of the house. And it's only a matter of time before you end up paying tens of thousands of dollars in damage to your foundation. Now, we're going to run a solid corrugated pipe. There's no holes in it. It's solid. And we're going to make really good connections. Matter of fact, we're going to use a plumbing tape. Everywhere we connect this solid corrugated pipe, we're going to tape it up with our 200-year plumbing tape. It's super stretchy, super sticky. It's rated to last 200 years. This is going to stand the test of time when you want it done right the first time. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video,